Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your awareness on the right hand. Bring your awareness on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside the palms, know your experiences. Now we will share our experiences. Why we share our experiences? To understand where we were and what are the other factors. And when other shares the experiences, you have a deeper insight. That also adds up in understanding. How are you, Sophie number one?
I am good, Girish. That I keep blocking out some of your instructions, and I don't understand why.
Oh, someone in you is blocking the instruction.
Mm-hmm.
So that is, it is one of them, pill seeker, pleasure seeker, or possession seeker. But they are the impressions. So by regular practice, we will come to know which one it is.
And I have a question, but afterwards.
Oh, no, no, you can ask the question. We will.
So I wanted to ask you if you could give more examples of self-fulfillment.
Yes, in the next session. So
Okay.
I will talk with reference to the pleasure seeker, pill seeker, and the real self seeker. So that will answer your question.
Okay. Thank
And
you.
otherwise, the simple answer is real self equation is I am happiness. Another thought, I am plus object is either pill seeker, pleasure seeker, or possession seeker. Simple answer. How are you, Mead?
That journey from being the outside seeker of all those things to come back home, that to me is the very big journey that I would like to go on.
Yeah.
Because I can sense the possibility of the difference.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. When you say it's a big journey, obviously the mind is clear in spite of other thoughts are there. So that is another answer, Sophie. When I mind claims the real self-seeking is the biggest journey. Another example. We will do it. How are you, John? Sophie number two.
Sophie number two. I had a good meditation session, but I have trouble with the quick breathing. I run out of breath.
You don't know how to do it. You don't have any issue with your lungs?
Well, you raise a good question. I hope not.
Then there is no issue. You keep doing it. And it is only because of the mind, either it's a pill seeker, possession seeker, is blocking not to do it. Not to do it. tiger is chasing you, then there is no problem of breathing.
Right.
See,
Oh,
instant.
no.
So why don't you try this week? Keep doing it and you see, oh, it happens.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough.
I'm not expressing other issues in a group session. So go back, Charlie.
Charlie.
Hello, everyone. It's nice to be back with you all. I like what Mead said about the possibility of finding that space. I felt like I was drifting in and out of that. I still am catching up with jet lag. I've only been back a few days, but I really like the feeling of being outside, then being inside, and then just being in a different place. So the thoughts were still there, but it was like I was dropped beneath them. And that's kind of what Mead was talking about, the possibility of that. I kept dipping in and out of that, I felt.
Yes, to add something more, Charlie, we always talk and think about and realize that we all have potential. Animals do not have potential. Tiger remains tiger. But if we are like a fox, we can become a tiger. So we have a potential. One example. So when we have a potential, the intellect says, okay, realize that potential. So then comes the possibility. First is the potential, then comes the possibility. But I have to make this possibility a hard fact. Otherwise, it will remain a possibility. So that is what the Eastern wisdom teaches. It says you are real self of permanent peace, happiness, love, and wisdom. This is the possibility you have. Then, what are the problems obstructing me not to realize the real self? There begins the journey. Let me remove all the bottlenecks and hindrances first, and then that is the way to progress. So you see that what are you? Potential, possibility, and then we practice, and then P. All P. Practice, and then progress. Progress, no, I have removed those bottlenecks. So there is a more and more clarity, and then we have an awakening that takes place. That is all for today. We will meet next week. Thank you.